In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer Todaytix. If you bought tickets and need to send them to someone else, the transfer feature makes it quick and secure. I'll walk you through exactly where to tap and what to look for, plus a few tips so your recipient can access the tickets without any hiccups. Start by opening the Todaytix website or app and signing in to the account that holds the tickets. Being logged in is essential because transfers are tied to your specific booking. If you manage multiple accounts, double check you're using the one that originally purchased the tickets. Next, head to your account area and open My Tickets. This is the hub where all of your upcoming bookings live. You'll see each show listed with its date, time, and seat details, which makes it easy to spot the correct order. Choose the booking you want to transfer. Open it to view the full details. It's a good moment to confirm you've selected the right performance, especially if you bought tickets for more than one date or show. Now look for the transfer option. If the event allows it, you'll see a button labeled Transfer Tickets. Not every production supports transfers, and availability can vary by show, seating type, or timing. So if you don't see the button, that typically means transfers aren't offered for that booking. When transfer is available, you'll be prompted to enter the recipient's information. You can share the tickets using either an email address or a mobile phone number. Enter one contact method carefully, checking for typos, since the invite will be sent there. The recipient may be asked to create or log in to a Todaytix account to accept the tickets, which helps keep everything secure. Finish by confirming the transfer and sending the ticket. You should see a confirmation on your end, and the recipient will receive a message with instructions to claim access. Ask them to accept promptly and to check their spam or message filters if they don't see it right away. That's all there is to it. Log in, go to My Tickets, select the booking, tap Transfer Tickets when available, add the recipient's email or phone, and confirm. If the transfer option isn't present or you run into an eligibility message, the show likely doesn't permit transfers. In that case, consult Todaytix support for guidance based on your specific booking.